Welcome to the future of repair documentation using RepairDOC. Repair documentation is a necessity and an essential process needed in our industry today. Assured Performance's patent-pending repair documentation and certification system will allow your staff to document every repair and provide the ultimate in quality and consumer confidence. A fully documented, certified repair and a fully documented invoice. Until now, the collision repair and auto claims industry have spent millions of dollars trying to assess how vehicles are damaged and how they should be repaired, without documenting how those vehicles are actually repaired, with what, and by whom. As a nonprofit consumer advocacy organization and the industry's leading certifying entity providing independent, third-party certification and network management for manufacturers, insurers, and other entities, Assured Performance wanted to improve the collision repair process for every driver on the road and the industry as a whole. Repair documentation not only helps to mitigate the liability of the collision repair providers in our network, but is essential to all stakeholders during the collision claims and repair process and beyond. In 2020, we launched our revolutionary repair documentation system, RepairDOC. This new approach provided repairers with the ability to facilitate an ironclad process to ensure safe, professional, quality repairs and save time. The introduction of this revolutionary technology has changed the focus from vehicle damage to repair quality output, where comprehensive documentation is essential to preserve every vehicle's fit, finish, functionality, durability, value, and safety. By using the latest and most secure cloud-based technologies, certified repair providers produce documentation that proves that the consumer or insurer received what was paid for. For repairers, this represents a foundation for innovation and collaboration, along with a pathway towards a better way of doing business. How does the RepairDOC system work? The Assured Performance Certified Repair Documentation process starts with the shop's estimate data, splitting it into two buckets: labor lines to be performed and parts needing to be replaced. As repair documentation centers around critical data, such as how the vehicle was repaired, with what, and by whom, it can be performed line by line or as one job. RepairDOC enables the shop to assign the various labor lines to a qualified technician that will properly perform the repair. As each assignment is made, the system ensures that only a technician that has proven skills and capabilities can be assigned to the task and then tracks it accordingly. Connectivity is one of the most powerful and exclusive features of RepairDOC. All of the dots are connected through RepairDOC and Assured Performance's suite of smart technology and business intelligence software. Technicians, business analysts, skills assessors, and shop management can automatically upload data that further connects your business to the consumer through our fully integrated cloud-based storage. As RepairDOC is part of a turnkey business intelligence system, every certified repair provider can produce a certificate showing the high-quality repair they completed in accordance with the manufacturer's specifications, as well as a fully documented invoice showing the repair details that vehicle owners care about most, including quality parts use, completed safety scans and calibrations, and approved paint systems. Each line item is conveniently electronically linked to all pertinent repair details, including the manufacturer's repair procedures, technical service bulletins, parts, and sublet invoices. The RepairDOC suite of tools includes the use of our RepairDOC Technician Smart App, available in the Google Play or App Store. Upon downloading the RepairDOC app and logging in, well-trained technicians can access the accounts that you set up in ShopOps. This convenient, handheld application is an essential tool for businesses that want to properly and easily document the collision repair process. This system addresses all of the necessary elements to ensure that every repair is properly completed and backed by documentation, resulting in the ultimate output of a certified repair and a fully documented invoice, with repair details retained for the life of the vehicle. As we explained, this process utilizes cloud-based technology inspired by blockchain principles, but it also embodies the 5 principles of total quality management. These 5 principles have been used in the auto manufacturing industry for decades to ensure that the key elements to quality output are built into the repair process and addressed at each step and stage. Machine, method, materials, man, and measurement. Now is the time for repairers to become certified repair providers of excellence and help to revolutionize the transactional process. These changes have the potential to eliminate billions of dollars in inefficiency across our industry. With electronic proof of the key components of every repair, this movement towards safe and efficient repair documentation finally places repairers, insurers, auto manufacturers, and consumers all on the same side, where a safe and proper repair is the focus. Drivers that receive a certificate showing the high-quality repair that their vehicle received and a final, fully documented invoice have something priceless: peace of mind and trust that they chose the right collision repair provider. Unlike traditional estimating practices that are filled with cost-shifting repair and part substitutions, which create inaccuracy or leave the repairer and all related parties exposed to liability, a fully documented repair produced through RepairDOC gives customers the information that they need, all without ineffective communication or an exhausting paper trail. This allows independent MSO and dealership collision repair providers to build quality and accountability into each repair. Meanwhile, manufacturers are able to ensure greater quality in customer handling, which results in more brand loyalty. Insurers are also able to leverage the process to eliminate inefficiencies and launch innovative new approaches to claim settlement. At Assured Performance, we continue to educate consumers on the realities of what constitutes a safe repair and why a certified repair provider provides them and their insurers with the most accurate and documented repair on the market. It's time to offer proof of the documented repairs you provide to consumers and offer an exceptional customer experience that drives your business into the future. To begin using our complete repair documentation system, download the RepairDOC Technician Smart app and contact us at 949-221-0010 today.